Welcome to our video on understanding Sonofit, a revolutionary device for tinnitus relief. In this video, we will explore the benefits, usage, and effectiveness of Sonofit. Sonofit offers a range of benefits for those suffering from tinnitus. It helps in reducing the intensity of tinnitus sounds, providing relief and improving quality of life. Sonofit is designed to be comfortable, discreet, and easy to use, making it a convenient solution for tinnitus management. Using Sonofit is simple and hassle-free. It is a compact device that can be worn in the ear. Sonofit is equipped with advanced technology that emits soothing sounds to mask tinnitus. The device is customizable, allowing users to adjust the volume and frequency of the sounds according to their preference. Sonofit has been clinically proven to be effective in providing tinnitus relief. Many users have reported a reduction in the perception of tinnitus sounds and an improvement in their overall well-being. The device is backed by scientific research and is recommended by healthcare professionals. To sum it up, Sonofit is a highly beneficial and effective device for tinnitus relief. It offers a convenient and customizable solution for managing tinnitus symptoms. If you or someone you know is struggling with tinnitus, consider trying Sonofit for a better quality of life.